What's up, everyone? Today we're heading to sunny Funner, California to check out Harrah's Resort, Southern California. From the casino floor to the lazy river, I'm giving you an inside look at the rooms, the food, the pool, and everything in between. So you know exactly what to expect before you book your stay. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is LNH Eats and Adventures. We're finally here at Harrah's SoCal. We're really excited. Let's go check in. Hey guys, another thing that I really like when we're arriving at this hotel is that they have a really nice convenience store close by, and there's obviously the gas station with it. So if you forgot something, you want to get something to drink, some munchies or whatever, you can just come and check it out. Okay, guys, it looks pretty neat. We got this awesome mirror right here, pretty sturdy. We got a baby, so we got to make sure everything's in its place. We got our basics right here. We're not going to go into much detail. We have the room for our clothes right here. And let's check out the bathroom. Wow. I like that we're going to have our own personal sink right here. The floors look pretty clean. The shower with the nice glass doors. If you forgot your shampoo, remember that Harrah's always has their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's what I like about it. In case I forget it, they always have my back on that. So we got the toilet on this side. Love that. Very nice. Let's go check out the view, guys, and the bed. Wow. Okay. I love the bed. Baby already tried it out, but I like the combination. I as in the colors in it. I love the layout on. It's just such a chill out mode. I really like it. What do you think? The lighting is so nice. It feels uh like they had just did it an update, right? Let's go check out the view. Wow, it's the swimming pool. We're definitely gonna get ready. It's really hot. It's a Saturday, and we definitely need to show you what's going on outside.
This is Harrah's Resort, Southern California's pool area, one of the main reasons people come to Funner, California. And it's not just one pool, it's an entire pool complex, guys. First up, the lazy river. Grab a tube, kick back, and let the current do the work. It's perfect for families, couples, or anyone who just wants to float with a drink in hand. Then there's the swim up bar, and yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. You don't even have to get out of the water to order your favorite cocktail. Just be warned, the line here can get long on busy weekends. For a little more peace and quiet, the adults only pool offers a relaxed vibe away from the louder family areas. If you're here to chill, this is the spot. Cabanas and day beds are available, but they're not cheap. So if you're thinking about splurging, book early and be ready to spend a little extra for that VIP feel. Overall, the pool scene here can be whatever you want it to be: party vibes in the afternoon or laid back relaxation in the early morning hours. For me, it's a solid mix of fun and comfort. Clean, well maintained, and plenty of options for every type of guest. If you're coming to Harrah, SoCal, make sure you pack a swimsuit because you'll definitely want to spend some time here.
So now we're going to navigate through all the gaming area. We headed over to the food court so I can show you a few of the places where you can go and get quick eats. So first food location is Smash Burgers. If you guys in for a hamburger, you know Smash Burgers always have great hamburgers. They do have a Earl of sandwich here. So depending if you want a hot sandwich or a cold sandwich, Earl of sandwich is gonna be the spot where you want to go and get one of your sandwiches. Coming up right here around the corner is Best of Plucked. This place right here is a chicken tender place. This is our go-to for chicken, all different types of flavors. The pricing is very good. You can get a combo with a few chicken strips. You also can get a side to go with that as well. So yeah, if you're into to hot different types of chicken, this will be one of the spots you want to try out. As you can see, the combos right there. So there are a few bars here. There's one right here called the First Down. It's just a regular bar that you can go sit around the bar and drink. They do have seating around, and they do have a big screen TV right there where you can sit around and watch games and stuff like that when it's going on. So they do have a Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen opened up maybe like 3 years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. They opened up a Hell's Kitchen. So they usually pack, usually reservations only. But I mean, you can still get in, walk in, but it's really preferred that you make appointments. To get an appointment, make reservations whenever you want to go there. So over here you got Tennis is another bar that you can stop in and eat at. It's called Tennis, something like that, but it's another sports bar. Salt and Fin, if you guys into seafood, that's another one of the restaurants they do have here. Salt and Fin has an oyster bar, of course. Another location, a eating place, dining area to eat at. They also have KJ's. If you guys into Chinese food, you got KJ's Chinese food. You know, your typical Chinese menu. Prices are not too bad. You know, probably about the same that you see in most places. So you see the cafe. You know, you can never go wrong with the cafe. The cafe is probably the only place here that's going to be open 24 hours for food. This is our go-to place for breakfast. Breakfast is outstanding, great prices, but it's the only location in here that's going to be open 24 hours for if you want to get a late night eat. So you can see there's still some more gaming area right here. We're going to be heading up to more the front location, more games here, plenty of slot machines at this location. If you're into playing slots, a lot of slots and machines here. Heading over here, this is the entrance way right here. This right here takes you out to the parking structure that's coming in on one side. Again, this is Harrahs Resort, Southern California. It is on the Indian reservation, so they don't have a lot of the stuff that, you know, your normal Vegas casinos will be having. As you can see, here's a few casino awards. that they have accomplished over the years. Do have a DJ available every Saturday and Sunday at the pool area. So, yeah, DJs every Saturday and Sunday. Of course, they do have a Starbucks here, and they also do have another little corner counter, which is just a little place where you get sandwiches, desserts, and stuff like that. So they have a couple stores that they have inside the Imperium, a little bit of gifts, little food, stuff like that, where you can stop and get last minute things. They also have a bazaar here where you can get clothing, a little bit of everything over here. As you can see right there, cold beverages, just little knickknacks and stuff like that. Back over here, they have like clothing, souvenirs, swim gear, anything you need, any extras that you want to buy, you can find them inside here. So this place do have a diamond lounge, where it used to be a diamond lounge, doesn't have it anymore. It's not open. Diamond lounge is a place where you can go, free food, free drinks if you was a diamond member. But most locations, pretty much everywhere, they no longer have these diamond lounges anymore. So they pretty much closed down. So now I'm gonna try my luck on this game, see if I can hit anything. Throw a few dollars in here, see what happens. Well, guys, that's a wrap on this trip right here. Well, we finna hurry up and get up out of here. You can see my little guy right here. We got his backpack on. He's ready to get up out of here. We're ready to get up out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tour that we had, and hope you guys make it down here to Funnier, California, Harrahs.
Okay, guys, that's it for this review. Harrahs and SoCal. If you like this type of content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.